Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ailey. If you're new, today's video is going to be an unboxing of something pretty special that I got for Christmas. I've done unboxings like this before, but I didn't actually do them this way. But I felt like very impersonal. I don't know. I just felt like I was like, ooh, look at this thing, and it just felt weird. So I figured that I would do this on camera. This is the box here. It's not in here. It's up there, but it's sort of same thing. But yeah, it might be more awkward, but yeah. So, this is the box. Like, this is the actual outer box. That's why I've kept it, because look how cool that is. Next thing that I noticed, apart from the actual box, was this. I have made a purchase from a shop. It's the first time we've got something through the post. So this is actually a magazine. Well, a book. Oh yeah, that's the care thing. How cool! And it's got loads of different things in it. But it is issue number 16 and it's just the book. How cool is that? I can't wait to have a place where I can like put it. That's really cool. That came in on top. The boxes are all the same. They just have this front flip and it flips up like that. And then obviously it would be in here. That is obviously documents and stuff like that. Usually it has the ribbon round it, but I took it off. On this little ribbon, it had this card with this teeny toty little envelope, which is, the card's just, there's nothing on it, but obviously like you could write it and just have it, but then it wouldn't be a surprise what it was. But I just thought that was like the cutest little thing. I've never seen anything so tiny, or stationery so tiny. So this is what was in the box, and I wanted to get this on holiday, but they didn't have it. It was so hard to get in America that I had to wait until I got home. And I got it for Christmas. So this is the mini bun bag. This is the mini bum bag. It's so cute. I haven't even been able to like wear it out yet. It comes with a strap like that and a chain like that. I'll probably zoom out in a minute and show you what it's like on and stuff. It's obviously shaped like a bum bag, but it doesn't have a strap like a bum bag. People had like, or people that I've seen with it, had the complaint that it was quite a short strap. It's longest setting on the strap. So if you want it side on, obviously you could tighten it up and have it sort of just under boob, but that is like, I quite like it there. I don't think there's really any rules. You can sort of mix and match and stuff like that. It should sort of like hang like that, like with the chain. But, so that's it on its like longest setting. And then you've got your chain. Now, because you've got your chain, you've got options. So you can actually just use the chain or just carry it with the chain, you know, like a sort of clutch type thing. Or if you wanted it really long, it's really, really long, then you could do that. But what I would do is so shorten the main strap to as much as you want. You've got a longer bag and you've got a cool chain at the front, or you could put the chain at the back. It doesn't really matter, but I think it's quite cool with the chain at the front. So then you've got like a half, I've not tucked it in or anything. You've got like a half chain, half strap. I mean, you could put whatever strap you wanted on it, but style it some other way or something like that, I don't know. So, I'm going to take this strap off just because it's annoying. I'll show you up close though. Your ordinary sort of like light leather, and then it's got the sort of red around the edges and just the gold hardware. I like the gold hardware. It was what I was kind of sad about not having on my other bag, but then it's nice to have options, I suppose. So you've got your main pocket. It's sort of just like rounded at the back. It's all upside down on the back because it's like one thingy. And you've got a little pouch at the front. So you really don't need a purse with this, I wouldn't say. If you open it up, it's not like that kind of just inside material where it's not got anything. It's actually lined. It's got like a really nice soft lining on it. It's not quite as soft as, like, it's like soft leather. It's not as soft as my Buci bag. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. I'm sure it's the Buci bag, but the black one. but obviously that is the inside. It's just the wee ticket to see what it's made of. So obviously the exterior is coated fabric, the interior is synthetic textile, the trim is vachetta leather. So it's got its little tag in there, and then, I mean, it's not huge, but it fits my phone in it totally fine, and I could probably fit some other things as well. Got like a small purse that could probably go in there as well. So I mean, there's plenty of room for that. That's the most important thing, is your phone, I suppose. Then you've got the little bit on the front, and in there, it's bad to say that I would probably, like, if I was still an e-cig smoker, put my e-cigarette in there because it's just big enough. But you could put coins or your cards or whatever in there, and that would fit nicely. But yeah, I think that's pretty much it. It's just, there's not an awful lot to it. I really liked it when I saw it. And it's not insanely expensive, depending on how you look at it. So for Louis Vuitton, it's not insanely expensive, but as far as small bags go, yes, it is insanely expensive. I don't drink. I don't smoke anymore. I don't even smoke an e-cigarette. Yeah, that is it. Just a wee short video to show you what it's like. It's got like your sort of wee clips at the side here. Everything is detachable, so if you've got other bags with other straps, you could put other straps on them. You could swap the straps in between and stuff like that. You can buy the straps on their own as well, so if you wanted to get this bag but you wanted like a different kind of strap, you could just buy the strap as well. So yeah, that is it. So, and obviously it could be a nice wee clutch like that as well, because it is small enough. So if you were going to a wedding or something like that and you didn't want to have a strap at all, although I would make sure you've got somewhere to sit it instead of sitting it on like a table where things could get spilled on it and things like that. So there we go. That is it. Just a wee unboxing of the mini bum bag from Louis Vuitton, and fingers crossed I'll have somewhere to go where I can take it soon. But yeah, that is it. Obviously, if you enjoyed this video, I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and hopefully I'll see you guys next time. Bye!